Hello everyone. Today I will show you some more VS Code shortcuts and tricks for HTML. First, press Control and slash is a VS Code. Just I create a file, HTML file. So first one is Control plus slash for Windows. Yeah, it's for comments out the current line or selection in HTML code. For example, I'll show you here. This one, just stay here and press Control and slash. See, it's head, change to comment. So if you want to just put some comment in here, you can Control plus slash, and you can write something here. So it's very simple, short, and very good comment. And number two is Control plus Shift plus K. This command can delete the current line. Okay, just wait, test. Okay, this current line. You just step here, backside of line, and press Control plus Shift plus K. See, this line deleted. If you want to delete multiple lines, you can try this way. See, it's very useful shortcuts. And number three is Alt plus Shift plus F. This one can format selected code. For example, I copied some code from website. This format looks not good. So if I want to format this code, just select all code and press Alt plus Shift, Alt plus Shift plus F. See, head, body, everything looks good. Yeah, it's number three. Number four, Control plus space. This like I show a list of available HTML tags and attributes. Okay, I try. For example, we stay here and press Control plus space. See, I show you something option you can use. Okay, this is number four. Number five. If you create a new file, call test 2, test2.html. Okay, this is black everywhere, so you want to create something like plug. You can press this guy, yeah, and plus enter. Sorry, and this one, and int. See, show you everything here. Much easier for your start your HTML code. This is very useful. The body right here, header. Yeah, that's good. You can change something like name, document like test or something. Yeah. This number 5. Okay, number 6. If you type in here body, for example, body, type name this one, and UL and so press enter. See everything here. Yeah. So maybe include in the URL in the name. So level to level at third level. So much easier for you to manage, and I think it's a good shortcut or tricks. This one, another one, number 7. If you want write multiple elements, you just need type li and type 5, or if you want more, just 6 and press enter. See, more will appear here. It's very useful, I think. Number 8. Number 8, if you want put a link to, for example, here you can type A and for example, put Google in here. So and press enter. See, Google, and you can paste some Google URL here. For example, I just copy some Google URL and paste. So I would like to go have a look. Open with live server. You can see Google. Click Google. Yeah, it's very useful. Much easier for put some link to click. Okay, that's number 8. Number 9. If want write some class, just type div and dot first class and enter. So first class name and this container, everything here. So manage, easy to manage. This number 8. Number 9, number 10. If you want create elements with IDs like div, type div ID. need array body equal, for example, may, and everything here, elements ID. So today I'll show you some VS Code shortcuts. Hope this shortcuts can help you for HTML study. Thank you very much.